Our first office and factory was actually 400 square feet in a 1,200 square foot room, literally taped off in a corner. We have come a long way since then.
The move from 25,000 square feet of on-demand manufacturing space to 100,000 square feet is extremely meaningful for Spoonflower. It means that not only can we continue to keep up with the production that we saw in 2020, but we can accelerate into 2021 and beyond and make sure we can get as many products out as quickly as we can to all of our customers.
Over the last year, I've really seen how it's been challenging for our employees to work in an environment where we have all of these space constraints and we're dealing with a pandemic and a lot of increased demand. And so moving into this new facility really gives us an opportunity to spread out and create an environment that's more pleasurable for our employees to work in.
I think one of the unique feature for Spoonflower is that every single product that we print, cut, and sew is all unique to the customer. So it is just kind of cool to see that process being extended from print to cut to now sewing. So each of our home decor product is made right here in Durham, North Carolina by a team of talented sewists.
Many of you have been part of the Spoonflower family for a very long time. We've seen the creative economy really flourish and expand thanks to all of you. And trust me, the best is yet to come.